Okay. I need to do something. Okay, Sam. Uh, are you today?
What?
How are you today?
I'm good.
And I believe you're ready to do that, right?
Presentate.
Yes, presenting. Are you ready, Sam?
Yeah, I'm ready to present.
Yes. But I need to kind of give the viewers some kind of introduction first before we doing. Okay? That's the background that you can use, just like mine, Sam, in order to make, yeah, it's like a couple of theme maybe. Okay, Sam?
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready, Sam? I'm gonna open the
Yes.
presentation and uh, yeah, I'm recording this meeting right now. So you need to do your best in this. Maybe it's around 10 minutes for presenting your project. I don't know. It
Yeah,
depends
for
on
now.
how would you convey your
Do I
project.
share my screen
That's definitely, Sam.
to show my game, obviously?
Yes. No, no, no. I I need to do introduction first, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You can mute your mic in case that you have some kind of noise. Okay, Sam. So let's get started. Hello, everyone. So today we're gonna see my student's presentation. His name is Samuel, and he will present his great project today. And I would like to introduce Samuel here. Yeah, of course, he will introduce himself later. But, guys, in this, in this short presentation, I would like to see your comment or what kind of your feedback that you want to give Samuel. So, with no any wasting words, we will see Samuel's presentation today. Time is yours, Sam.
Hello, sir. Do we start now?
Yeah, Sam. Yeah, Sam. You
Oh.
can start now.
Hold up. Let me share my screen real quick. Let me share my screen and show my presentation. One. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Samuel Orishaya, and today I'd like to present my shooter game. So, what is a shooter game? A shooter a shooter game is a subgenre of an action video game focused on using weapons, typically firearms or long-range tools to defeat enemies, requiring fast-paced reflexes, aiming skills, and strategic movements. They range from first-person shooter to third-person views, and today we'll be looking on TPS, third-person view. So the game is centered around the player, which is the ship. To move the ship, press A. For it to move left, and press D for it to move right. To shoot, press space. And to gain points, you need to shoot the enemies. To win, you need to gain 10 points. You start with 100 HP. Once you reach 0 HP, you lose. So, the key components of the game that made it work is the pie game, the random, the class, and the wild. So one of the examples of why it works is, for example, the while keeps the game running until we win or until we lose. Now, what makes the game unique? What makes the game unique is its pixelated art style and its custom winning and losing screens. Now, I have a bunch of plans for my future update, like seven actually, which is first adding some selectable levels, adding unique boss fights, adding selectable ships, having the ability to upgrade your ships, adding more campaigns and more animations to make the game more lively, and a bunch of game mode to make the game more interesting. Thank you for listening. And not actually not yet. I want to present my game first. Uh,
Don't forget to explain a little about the code, Sam. Okay.
okay, hold on. So this is the game that I made. So after this, we're gonna explain how the code works. So I'm gonna explain a little bit of the code. So I would like to explain about the sprites. So the code class here, which is basically like the player, like the creatures we see in the game, or which is called game sprite. Now, this is the game sprite, which is the parent class, sort of all of the other classes, like the player, which is a ship, the enemy, which are of course our enemies, and the bullet, which we're able to shoot, and the ball, and also some other classes. Now, the other important code is also the collision codes, like collide, group collide, and sprite collide. What is the use of these codes is that so that if we collide, for example, the bullet collides with the enemy will die and it will add a score to our point, and vice versa. If the enemy touches our ship or the meteor, our score will go down. Our life actually, I'm sorry. And another one is also this other one here. Hold on. These variables. For example, the loss, goal, and lose and win variable. What these variables do is that, so let's see what the variables do. This one. So this is the score variable, and this is the miss variable, and this is our life variable. So for example, we touch this meteor, our life goes down. And if we shoot the alien, our score goes up. And we also have the fonts, which is to show the letters, and also the high game, which is to basically to how we act, how the entire game works. It's like a library of codes and stuff. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.
Okay, Samuel. Thank you so much. It's that only one project, Sam?
Oh, oh yeah, right. Is there more?
Do you have another project?
Yeah, actually I do have.
I mean, with its
Oh yeah, sure.
PowerPoint, of
Sir,
course.
can you listen to the music before? Or not able to listen to it?
We couldn't. We
Oh, what?
yeah.
Oh,
That's okay. That's okay, Sam. That's
oh
okay.
man.
I need the explanation actually, and
Oh.
you, yeah, you good. You're good. I mean, that's some kind of nice explanation, Sam. I like how you
Thank you,
explained
sir.
that to us. Okay, Sam, is that any other games that you wanna present to us?
Not really, because my best game is the space shooter game,
The
you know,
space
and the
shooter
other
game.
games, I'm not really satisfied with the way they
Okay, okay. That's
perform.
fine. That's fine, Sam. Okay, so if so, I think that's all from Samuel, guys. So that's Samuel's games and his presentation. Let me give you some kind of let me give you some kind of clap. Okay, there we go. Thank you so much for today, Sam. Okay, the next agenda
Thank you, sir.
is I will do something like this, Sam. I
Hello?
will give you.
Hello?
Hello, Sam.
Hello?
Sam, hello.
Your Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, yeah. Hello, hello. I
Can you hear me,
can
Sam?
hear you now. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Now my turn, Sam. Okay. I will present to you the next thing that in Algonova, and this is my task actually. So in the next meeting, Sam, or in the next course, what you're gonna learn is you're gonna learn about this one. Okay, as you can see here. Could you see, Sam? So first of first, I'm gonna say
Yeah.
it's from Algonova actually.
Uh,
I think I need to stop the screen first and then reshare that. Can you see, Sam?
I can. It's still it's still the text,
What text?
not the full picture yet. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. I can see it now.
Okay, so Algonova wants to say, congratulations, Samuel. You did your Python start second year. Perfectly, I can say. Okay? Now, the next thing that I want to convey to you
Okay.
is what is the next lesson and what is the next course that you should take. And this is my recommendation, my personal recommendation. We have actually two options here. First is Python Pro second year, and the second is front end. And of course, you will decide which one you want to dive deeper, Sam. But I will explain about Python Pro second year because you are from Python Start second year. So, what will you learn in this? Well, in Python Pro second year, we will learn about, you know what is this, Sam? I believe you have heard about artificial intelligence, and one of them is ChatGPT. Now, we will create or we'll
Hi.
use pre-trained model.
Okay.
We call it as a pre-trained model, and we will do some kind of prediction later, Sam. So, if you heard about what object detection, object detection. So this is what kind of the thing that you will learn in Python Pro
Yes.
second year. Oh my God.
Hey.
Can you hear me, Sam?
Oh my God, your Wi-Fi.
I
I can hear
guess.
you.
Hello, Sam? Check, check, check. Hello?
Hello, hello. I can hear you.
What's so bad? Oh my God. It's raining.
Red.
I don't know. Sam, hello, Sam?
Hear you.
Sam, hello?
Hello.
Oh my God. I have no idea what's going on with the Wi-Fi, Sam. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I
clearly?
can hear you.
Can you see
Uh,
me,
yeah, clearly.
Sam?
Yes, I can hear
Okay.
you very clearly.
Sorry, Sam. Okay. Okay. Object detection. So
That's okay. So,
In Python Pro second year, you learn about object detection, Sam, which is something like this. Oh my God, it's lagging. It's lagging. Aha.
oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Sam, what's going on with this
Your
Wi-Fi? Oh my.
Wi-Fi, sir. Huh? Nagkasing ito bukan? Stop lang, stop.
Hello, Sam.
Hello, sir?
Okay, this is it, Sam. Can you see? I'm gonna close
Yes,
this,
you can
all of
see.
this.
Okay.
Much
Good
better.
idea,
Okay.
actually.
So this is the thing that we will learn in in Python Pro second year. It's advanced study, Sam. Okay, it's extended
Oh,
study. I can say like that. So you will need some kind of math, intuition, and then you will learn about how to create a basic AI that we can use to predict something. That's Python Pro second year. It's
okay.
advanced Python. And also, we learn about how to create something like mobile application, which is in Python start second year, you learn how to create desktop application. But in Python Pro second year, you learn how to create mobile application.
Okay.
And then the next or the other things that we'll learn is we're gonna learn how to analyze a data or data analysis them. I will give you an example of that. Hold on. This is nice. I think it's because the electricity is up here, Sam. That's the why.
Oh, oh yeah. Your presentation is laggy.
Okay, can you see,
Hello?
Sam?
Yes, I can see now.
Okay, so this is the example, Sam. The example of what will we do in Python start second year. We'll learn about data analysis. Python Pro second year, excuse me for that. Data analysis, and then yeah, with that you can of course analyze some kind of stock price, and then you will learn about mathematical models, just like you will learn how to read some kind of graphics, something like that. It's more advanced. And
Okay.
then this is one of the mobile application that we will create later with Think Inter. And this is the object detection with pre-trained model. So as you can see here, we'll see something like this. So the computer, in that case, the machine will predict what is in its prompt, something like that. Just like when
Okay,
you
so,
give it a phone, you will have something like that, some kind of prediction number. Oh, this is cell phone and 99%. And this is bottle with this confidence. Something like that. Okay? That's all. That's
okay.
all what we're gonna learn in Python start, in Python Pro second year. Now, do you have
Okay.
question first time?
Nope.
Okay. And I just want to report this, Sam. I don't know how many balance do you have in Algonova, but I have to do some kind of reporting. So when Samuel, let's say, decides to uh, continue your learning, you can contact this number, Sam. Okay?
Okay.
I'll give you on the Zoom chat, or yeah, I'll give you on the Zoom chat, Sam.
Okay.
That one. So That's all, Sam. That's all. Do you have question?
Nope.
So, would you like to prolong that, Sam?
The what?
Would you like to prolongation? To do
My
prolongation?
lesson? That depends on my parents actually, not on me.
No. Oh, okay. Maybe I have to call you. I have to contact your parent because I need to do reporting. But the administration stuff, it doesn't my concern. I mean, like, let's say you want to continue your learning, so I don't know what kind of feeling that we will do with Algonova's team, but I just need the yes or no quest answer actually, and I will do that with your parents. Don't worry about it. Okay, Sam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
My closing statement for you, Sam. Thank you so much for your progress till today, and I will say you have a nice foundation. I mean, how you how you think and then how you see the logics in programming. That's your kind of, I guess, some kind of thing that you can use to improve yourself in programming. Okay, Sam? Do you have some kind of closing statement like me?
I just want to say, sir, I just want to say thank you for being patient with me, even though sometimes I'm a bit,
No.
let's just say, not understanding the topic.
Uh, that's my that's actually my bad, Sam. Oh, it's not. That's my fault. It's not yours.
Also, I want to say sorry also for my sisters being loud. Let's just say loud
No,
things and
no
all.
worry about it. That's completely normal here. Anything else, Sam?
No, that's it.
Okay. If so, thank you so much, Sam, and I hope we meet in the next meeting. Okay. And of
Okay,
course, it's your choice to choose. I'll see you in the next meeting, Sam. Bye bye.
bye.